CalStar Med 53 Executive Tower, roger, report the missed approach. And you'll make a left-hand turn prior to the airport and proceed northbound. CalStar Med 53, roger. Number 353, roger, winds calm, runway 20, you're so clear to land.
Executive Tower, Lightsport 117 Golf X-rays holding short of runway 20. I'd like flight following back to Concord if possible.
Lightsport 117 Golf X-ray, roger. Immediate left turnout is approved, wind calm, runway 20, clear for takeoff.
Runway 20, clear for takeoff, 117 Golf X-ray.
And number 68353, wind departure prior to arrival, Lightsport now taking the runway.
We got him, 353.
Alright, 353, S turns are approved.
S turn approved, 353.
Lightsport 5 Golf X-ray, no delay. Correction 7 Golf X-ray, no delay. Over 353, traffic is no factor, clear to land.
No factor, clear to land. 20353, turn it back inbound.
And CalStar Med 53, one departure opposite direction. As the Lightsport will be turning out towards the east, should be no factor. And you can make your missed approach directly over the runway and proceed northbound.
Plan on directly over the runway northbound, keeping our eye out, Med 53.
Lightsport 7 Golf X-ray, make a left-hand turn.
Executive Tower, I'm going back to Concord.
Lightsport 7 Golf X-ray, I'll turn you on course in about a mile.
7 Golf X-ray.
Lightsport 7 Golf X-ray, roger, and you could turn on course now. You're overflying traffic on final, no factor. Departure frequency is 125.25, squawk 4523.
4523 in the box.
Correction, Lightsport 7 Golf X-ray, squawk 4253.
4253.
353, taxi to parking via Alpha, remains frequency, good day.
Taxi to parking via Alpha, the frequency is 668, good day.
And Lightsport 7 Golf X-ray, contact NorCal departure, good day.
Good day, 117 Golf X-ray.
0 Golf 10, you with me?
NorCal departure, Lightsport 117 Golf X-ray, 1,700 for 4,500.
Lightsport 17 Golf X-ray, NorCal approach, fly heading 170, radar vectors for traffic ident.
170, and here's a flash.
5, Julie, contact Mid-Tower 120.65. Number 7 Golf X-ray, contact Mount House South Executive Airport, altimeter 3004. Stay altitude again and altitude climbing 2.
Just crossed 2,000 going to 4,500.
7 Golf X-ray, roger. Detroit Cascade on load, airport 13,000. That's 53 NorCal approach, ident. Sacramento 53, contact